Are you looking to upgrade your Lexus ES300 or EX350 sound system? Are you looking for a quick and easy way that you can connect your iPhone music to your Lexus ES factory system? Well, I have a suggestion for you. It is this gadget, Gizmo Guy Gadget. This gadget will allow you to connect your iPhone to your Lexus ES300 sound system without having to replace the head units. Replacing the Lexus OEM radio with an aftermarket one is one of the worst things that you can do to your Lexus. The Lexus factory radio is very difficult and expensive to replace due to its integrated design with the climate control and GPS system. If you're looking for the easiest way to add your iPhone music to your Lexus ES300 or ES350, I have a suggestion for you. This gadget will allow you to connect your new iPhone to your mid-2000 car factory radio without aux or Bluetooth. You simply connect my device to your iPhone like this. That's all you have to do. Then you will be able to stream and play all your iPhone music right through your OEM factory system without aux or Bluetooth. You do not need to upgrade your head unit. Simply connect my gadget to your iPhone and you will be able to play Pandora, iHeartRadio, Spotify, Audiobooks, YouTube Music, even news and NPR right from your phone, right through your mid-2000 car radio without Bluetooth or an aux. Simply connect my device to your phone and you'll be able to listen to all your sound and music from your iPhone right through your car radio loud and clear without static or any humming noise. Simply connect my device, Gizmo Guy Gadget device, right to your phone and you'll be able to listen to anything that you want from your iPhone through your car radio wirelessly. You do not need to upgrade your radio. You do not need to replace your head unit. Simply connect my device to your phone and you'll be happy with your music, podcast, news, anything you want to listen to.
My name is Patrick. What happens when you find a nice car on eBay, something that's within your cost range, but it's an older car, you love the way it looks, but you know you can't play your cell phone on it? Here's what you do. I found this product by Gizmo Guy, CD quality sound from your cell phone to your world-class audio system on the cool car you bought. Let's see how it works. Yeah, so it's really simple. It comes, when you order this product, it came with this little dongle. It also came with an attachment. You plug it into your phone. This is an iPhone. And you just start playing your music. Open your music. I should say one thing. There's stations on the back here that you preset on your radio. These are what it plays through. It actually was charging my phone as it's playing music, so definitely recommend the Gizmo Guy.
Try my gadget out. It comes with 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy with it in any way, simply send it back and you'll get your full refund. So click on the link below and try my gadget out. I guarantee this will be the best gadget that you get this year. Thank you. Bye-bye.
And you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars replacing your radio, this gadget is an ultimate alternative. No static, nothing. Nice and clear, crisp. You guys, real-time review. Happy with the product.
Everything works great. Everything is crystal clear. And I can't say enough about this product.
So this device truly does the job. I can play Pandora, everything. I've driven around town. No problems with any static whatsoever.
Thank you for coming out with this product. I love it. I recommend it to anybody. So please do yourself a favor. Try it. It really works. All right, guys. I love it, man. God bless you all. Buy the product and enjoy it. Have a good one. Bye.
For more information about the product or to make a purchase, please check out my website at iPhoneFMTransmitter.com. iPhoneFMTransmitter.com.